Hi again. So I am back, and in this video I want to be chatting a little bit about on-page SEO, aka everything that we're doing on your website each month to help it perform better in search results. So let's just talk through a little bit about what is actually included in on-page SEO and the on-page SEO work that we're going to be doing for you. So on-page SEO is basically like giving your website a makeover, right? So some of the things that we focus on are optimizing existing pages. So we update product pages, service pages, other key parts of your site like your homepage, your about page, any location pages that you might have. And we do all of this to target the right keywords, fix formatting, improve structure, do anything that needs doing so that Google and your customers can understand them better and they have a better chance of showing up higher in search. We also do things like create new content. So this could mean writing new blog posts, adding FAQ sections to your site, building out additional landing pages to target new search terms. It can also mean creating new content for existing pages. So like adding a bunch of content to a category page, for example, or new sections to your homepage. Basically, whatever we end up doing, it's all driven almost like reverse engineered based on the keyword research where we see your website needs growth. Another piece of the on-page SEO work is internal linking. So we make sure that your pages are properly linked to each other in a way that makes sense, spreads authority, and helps Google crawl your site more effectively. And then of course, we're doing technical cleanup. So you're getting a certain number of tech fixes every month, and we're looking at things like broken links, duplicate content, missing SEO titles and meta descriptions, any other sort of back-end fixes that will help your site run more smoothly, give humans a better user experience, and also give Google a better experience when it's crawling and understanding your website. Each of these kinds of updates sends a signal to Google that your site is valuable, your site is trustworthy, and your site is up to date. And so over time, this all helps your rankings improve and can help keep you ahead of the competition. Plus, like I said, it makes your site just easier to navigate for consumers, easier to read, and easier to spend money with. And at the end of the day, that's the goal, right? So one thing I always like to remind folks is that these changes, they don't make SEO magic happen overnight. I wish that they did. My job would be way easier. But SEO really is more of a long-term kind of marketing strategy. It's a slow burn, but every update that we make, every tech fix that we make, every new blog post or new product page or, category content that we create adds momentum. And that consistency of, updating, refreshing, improving, and optimizing is really what's going to drive those long-term results. So that is the basics of on-page SEO. In the next video, I'm going to talk a little bit more about off-page SEO and something newer called LLMO, which is all about helping your brand show up in generative AI platforms like ChatGPT. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next video.